In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passport-size photo in Affinity. We'll start by setting up a precise 2 by 2 inch canvas so everything is sized correctly from the start. Go to File, then New. Set the width to 2 inches and the height to 2 inches. Make sure the DPI is 300. That resolution is important for crisp printing and is a standard for passport photos. Choose RGB 8 for the color format, which is perfect for general photo work, and set the background to white. Double-check that your units are in inches so the measurements line up exactly, then click Create. You now have a clean, correctly sized workspace. Next, bring in your photo. You can simply drag the image into the document or go to File and choose Place to select it. When the photo appears, resize it using the corner handles so it fits naturally without stretching. Holding Shift as you resize helps keep the proportions accurate. Aim to include the full head and a bit of the shoulders, leaving some space above the head. Try to start with a photo that has even lighting and a plain background, since that makes alignment look more professional and often aligns with typical passport requirements. Now, let's position and align the face precisely. Select the Move tool so you can adjust the placement. Your goal is to keep the face centered horizontally, with the eyes roughly 1.1 to 1.3 inches from the bottom of the canvas, and the head height around 1 to 1.4 inches from chin to top. Think of the 2-inch square as a grid. The eyes should sit a little above the midpoint, and the overall head size should feel balanced, neither too large nor too small. If you want extra accuracy, watch the rulers or measurement readouts as you adjust. You can also zoom in for fine control and use the arrow keys to nudge the image a pixel at a time. Keep an eye out for any tilt. The head should be upright, with the eyes level. If the shoulders or hair touch the edges, reduce the size slightly so the head comfortably sits within the frame. The white background of your document ensures that any empty areas are clean and print-ready. Once everything is centered, the eyes are in the correct range, and the head height looks right, you're done. You've created a precisely sized 2 by 2 inch passport-style photo at 300 DPI with proper alignment in Affinity. This setup is ideal for consistent results and smooth printing.